Hello, welcome back to Tesla Tech News. Today we will be looking at the new Apple AirPods 3. Before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content and comment down below your thoughts about Apple's new AirPods. When will we see the Apple AirPods 3? With nearly 2 years having passed since the last iteration of Apple's true wireless earbuds, the AirPods, there are naturally already murmurs of another updated model coming our way. While there were rumors of the Apple AirPods 3 crashing into the market before 2020 was out, they never materialized, and now everything is pointing to a 2021 release. The much anticipated next version of AirPods could be about to launch, according to a new report. These are expected to look more like the AirPods Pro, but to be cheaper and have brand new features like active noise cancelling. Based on the photographs, it doesn't look like the new AirPods will have silicone ear tips like their noise-canceling siblings, though a render provided by 52 Audio shows what looks like detachable silicone ear tips included with the buds. Giving users the option to swap the tips in and out would certainly appease fans of both the original AirPods and the newer AirPods Pro. Aside from catering to more ear sizes, silicone or foam ear tips provide a better seal and therefore superior noise isolation and passive noise reduction, making your music sound better while simultaneously preventing the entire world from earwigging on your favorite songs. Apple is planning to fit ambient light sensors to future versions of the AirPods, sensors which could make them much more useful as health monitoring devices, akin to the best fitness headphones in the world. A report in DigiTimes, via McRumors, passes on information from the Apple supply chain that production of these ambient light sensors is being ramped up, quite possibly to get ready for some brand new wireless earbuds. There are a lot of dots to join here, and there isn't necessarily just one way to join them, but that said, it would make a lot of sense for Apple to want to boost the fitness tracking capabilities of future AirPod models, much as it did with the Apple Watch. Apple has also recently been awarded a number of new patents, one of which suggests that the next AirPods could come with a nifty feature for fitness fans. According to Patently Apple, the patent describes AirPods that use inbuilt sensors to gather orientation information such as accelerometer measurements during user movements. The true wireless earbuds could then communicate via Bluetooth with an iPhone and may form part of an AirPods system that supplies the user with coaching and feedback while evaluating user performance of a head movement routine or other exercise routine. This could be particularly useful for exercises like yoga, with the AirPods providing real-time feedback on a user's head tilts, poses, and stretches. Future Apple AirPods, including the rumored AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro Lite, could automatically pause or lower the volume of your music if they detect hazards in your surroundings, according to a patent granted to the company on August 11. The patent describes a pair of true wireless earbuds that are capable of adjusting their audio output based on the user's activities and location, including adjusting audio volume, stopping, or preventing audio from playing, providing feedback, directions, encouragement, advice, safety information, instructions, and the like. Using a combination of GPS data from a smartphone or smartwatch and positional data from the earbuds themselves, the patent describes how future AirPods could help users stay safe while near busy roads. As one non-limiting example, the sensing device may determine that the wearable audio device engages both ears and that the user is at a side of or on a road. The earbuds would then pause or prevent audio playback through the speaker adjacent to the road, allowing you to hear traffic while still listening to music through the other earbud. Speed data, presumably taken from a built-in accelerometer in the AirPods themselves, could also be used to keep cyclists safe by pausing music when the speed is above a certain threshold. Active noise cancellation. As we mentioned, Ming-Chi Kuo has suggested that the AirPods 3 will look most like the AirPods Pro, with silicone ear tips and a sleek look. Whether that means they'll come with noise cancellation as well remains to be seen. McRumors editor Joe Rosignol has speculated that the AirPods 3 will simply be a cheaper version of the AirPods Pro with noise cancellation removed. More recently though, 52 Audio has said that support for active noise cancellation is likely, and it's certainly possible if the earbuds do take their design cues from the AirPods Pro. Spatial audio. Another feature that 52 Audio has deemed likely is spatial audio. Apple Spatial Audio is the company's answer to Dolby Atmos for headphones, designed for the AirPods Pro and the AirPods Max over-ear headphones. It takes 5.1, 7.1, and Dolby Atmos content and applies directional audio filters, placing sound in a 3D sphere. What's unique to spatial audio though is that it uses the built-in accelerometers and gyroscopes inside Apple's earbuds and headphones to track the position of your head as well as the position of your iPhone or iPad. That means that, when you watch films on your iPhone or iPad, the sound will always be placed correctly based on the action on the screen, so, if you turn your head or shift your device, it will still sound as though the sound is coming from the screen. Gesture controls. While some outlets have predicted touch-sensitive controls like the AirPods Pro, it's possible the AirPods 3 will make use of more futuristic methods. In 2020, Apple was awarded a patent that described some of the cool features we could see in future AirPods models, including the ability to control the true wireless earbuds with futuristic in-air gestures. The patent, which was spotted by Patently Apple, describes how in-air gestures, for example hovering a hand over the AirPods, could work alongside the touch controls already employed by the AirPods Pro, allowing you to trigger different actions. Another patent has since described AirPods that could automatically pause or lower the volume of your music if they detect hazards in your surroundings. Better battery life. According to Bloomberg, Apple is looking to improve the battery life of the AirPods, which currently comes in at a rather meager 24 hours. We certainly hope this is the case, though if 52 Audio is to be believed, the onboard 5-hour battery life provided by the buds themselves won't be increased, with any improvements possibly only applying to charging case. True wireless earbuds like the Lipertec PurePlay Z3 TV have shown that cutting the cord doesn't have to mean sacrificing your battery life, and there's really no need for the AirPods to only be offering a measly 5 hours of playback in 2021. So, how likely is this rumor to be true? The report comes from AppleTrack and quotes a YouTuber called Luke Miani, who says that Apple could announce AirPods 3 on Tuesday, May 18, via press release, alongside an upgraded Apple Music service called Apple Music Hi-Fi. AppleTrack says that it has not yet evaluated just how reliable this leaker is and says it's important to take this with a grain of salt. The new AirPods have been rumored for a while, and the last big update was in March 2019 when wireless charging capability was added to the AirPods case. Since then, the only update has been the arrival of AirPods Pro in late 2019. AirPods Pro were unveiled by press release, so Apple isn't against revealing new products like this by that mechanism. The rumored Apple Music Hi-Fi service, promising higher quality audio versions for Apple Music subscribers, has also been on the cards for some time. And since both are music related, there's a certain logic to unveiling both. According to that report, the tier will cost the same $9.99 as the current individual Apple Music package. Still, specifics around how Apple plans to include hi-fi music streaming into its existing tiers remain unknown. Code within the first beta of the upcoming iOS 14.6 update found by MacRumors suggests that hi-fi Apple Music streaming could be limited to only compatible hardware. While the source for the hi-fi Apple Music report pinned a launch of the new tier and AirPods as being only a few weeks away, it may have been referring to a launch at WWDC. Apple will hold its annual Worldwide Developers Conference beginning on June 7, where it is expected to announce brand new updates to iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Despite WWDC being software-focused, hardware announcements at the event are certainly possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below your thoughts about Apple's new AirPods.